أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربي زدني علما سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم This is our new Arabic learning channel for the beginners. Dedicated to the people who are really interested to learn Arabic. Muhammad Academy. Follow this channel, you can learn how to read and write. Basically, we're going to start from the beginning. And at the end, we will try our best to teach you how to speak and write in Arabic. Arabic alphabet. So for the beginners to learn these Arabic letters, like any other language, if you want to read and write, you need to learn the basic structure first. So the structure is to learn these alphabetical letters in Arabic. Alif, Alif, Ba, Ba, Ta, Ta, Tha, Tha. You pronounce this letter Tha from the right underneath of your upper teeth front. Put your tongue underneath your upper teeth front and then starts making sound like Tha. Jim, Jim, Ha, Ha, Kha. You need to pronounce this letter from the right bottom of your throat. Kha. Dal, Dal, Zal, Zal, Ra, Ra, The, 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 Thin, Sin, Sin, Shin. Basically, these two letters are similar sound, but this one is quite bigger sound than this one. Is Shin, that one is Sin, this one Shin. Dad, no, sorry, Sad, 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 Dad, Dad, Ta, Ta, Za, Za, Ain, Ain. You need to pronounce this letter from the bottom of your throat. Ain, Ain, Ghain. Same again. This is Ain. This is Ghain. Gha, Gha. From the bottom of your throat. Ghain. Fa, Fa. Qaf. This is again you have to pronounce from the right, from the bottom of your throat. Qa, Qaf, Qaf, Kaf. This is a bigger Qaf, this is smaller Kaf. So it's a Kaf. That one is Qaf. This one is Kaf. Lam, Lam, Mim, 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 Noon, 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 Wow, Wow. You need to sound this letter like a wow. If you see something and you're surprised, you say wow. It's like that. Wow. Ha. This is a big ha, a small ha. This ha is written in the middle of sentence basically, and this is the end form ha. Hamza, Hamza. Hamza basically makes a sound. We're going to learn that later, which letter makes what sounds when we add the vowels to the letter. So Hamza, Ya, Ya. So basically we have learned Alif, Ba has got one dot underneath, Ta has got two dots over, Tha has got three dots over, Jim has got one dot underneath, Ha has got no dot at all. So these three letters are similar, just the difference between them is the dots. So Ha has got no dots, Qa has got one dot over on top, Dal, Zal has got one dot, Ra has got no dot. Ra and Za is similar, but it's got two. Only the difference is this is a dot on top. So this is Ra, this is Sin. Sin has got no dot at all. These two are similar. The difference is the three dots on top. So Sin, Shin. Sad, Dad. These two are two similars, but only difference is the dot on top. One dot on Dad. Dad has got one dot and Sad has got no dot. Ta. These two are similar. So only difference is the dot on top, and this one has no dot. So ta, za, ain, these two again similar. So only different is dot on top. Ghain has got dot on top and ain has got no dot. Fa. This letter is on its own, there is no similar to it. Oh, this is fa with one dot. Qaf, same again, this is one single one, no similar letter with this one. Kaf, lam has got no similar, mim has got no similar letter, nun has got no similar letter. Waw has got no similar letter. Ha, smaller ha has got no similar letter. Hamza has got no similar letter. Ya has got no similar letter. So basically, if you go on top again, ba, ta, tha, these three letters are same in the structure, only the difference is the dots. So if you remember this, it's easy for you to remember. And them two here, jim and ha. Ha, these three letters are same, so only difference is jim has got dot in the bottom, in the middle, basically you could say in the bottom, and ha has got no dot, ha has got dot on top. Dal, zal is two similar letter, ray, zay is two similar letters, so the difference is the dot on top on the zay. Sin, shin is two similar letters. Dot is two similar letters. If you follow the dots, you will remember it easily. Da. If you follow the dot, again you will remember it easy. Ain, ghain, same again here, similar two letters, but only difference is the dot. One has got no dot. And that's it. Keep learning. We'll see you next time with the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.